Good morning, friends. Very nice weather, raining, and beautiful. Have a nice day. So I can't put the clothes outside because raining. As you see, I put it like that, and yeah, nice weather and very beautiful. See the weather, beautiful. See you later.
So friends, we have the breakfast and yeah, we go out to see the nice weather and to enjoy. Like only in the car, we don't go out. So yeah, nice raining, nice weather and beautiful. See you later.
Good evening, friends. So now we go out, and I want to share that with you also. If I can film there, I will film, or I will tell you where we go. I don't know yet, so yeah. And maybe we have a dinner also outside, and yeah, I will see you there. So our dinner from coffee club and restaurant, very yummy food, and we enjoy. Then we go to the mall, nice, not very big, but very nice and pretty. So yeah. So we back home, and I will see you later. So friends, here I will finish the vlog. Thank you for watching. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Until another video, take care. Bye.